Hey, I just want to share with you a quick keto diet that you could make in less than 10 minutes. So let me show you what I got. Right here is a mackerel. You could get this at Walmart or in a public store right here. So make sure when you get it is wild caught. It's gonna say wild caught right there on it. So you want to get this right here. Then you're gonna get your broccoli. I got this at Sam's Club right here. So you get your broccoli. This is an easy cooked broccoli. You'll get that. So your mackerel, your broccoli, and then you're gonna have like a avocado, your avocado right here. So this is it right here. I'm not gonna cook it up. You know I'm gonna get like a saucepan and cook it up in, but I already got mine cooked up. So I just want to show you what I have, like what I'm doing the any type of exercise, and I want to build some protein. I want to have some protein in my diet. So this is what it looks like right here. So you got your broccoli, you got your protein, which is the fish. Then you got your healthy fat, which is the avocado. And then you're gonna put some cottage cheese, just not too much, just a little bit of cottage cheese with your fish. Let me just clean this here real quick. So you're gonna get some just put a little bit of cottage cheese with it, just like that. And then you're gonna put your eggs. So this is a perfect keto diet. This is just like quick. I just want to share with you real quick. So what I eat. So this is what I eat. Like if I wanna have a quick and easy, less than 10 minutes keto diet. So this is what I use right here. So I just want to show you. So again, let me show you. You don't have the mackerel. This right here is wild caught mackerel. Then you're gonna have your broccoli. You could get that. You could get this at Sam's Clubs or whatever. Your healthy fat, which is the avocado, and then your cottage cheese. You don't have to put a whole lot. So I just want to show you this my quick video right here of how I do my like a quick keto diet. So that's right there. You could make this in no less than 10 minutes. Yeah, I just want to show you that real quick right there. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video.